Hi, welcome back to Autumn Scent. Today I'm going to do simple greeting card using A4 size paper. Here I'm using A4 size watercolor paper. You can use normal A4 size paper or chart or any cardboard. And the next thing that we need is some paints. Here I'm using Brewster's gouache paint. Okay, let's get into the main work. First I'm going to divide this A4 size paper into 3 parts and I cutter them. Now, these 3 sheets will be longer than the usual greeting card size. So I marked and cutted 5 cm from each piece and kept it for later use. For the first card design, I made it for Christmas special. I'm using gouache paint here. You guys can use watercolors or acrylic paints too. Before I paint, I did the basic outline of Christmas tree in pencil. Now let's do the painting. I used the deeper green color as the base to give some shadow effect. Then I added the lighter shade over it. Until this 2-layer dry off, I did the background paint. I used the crimson red for background. Instead of painting the background, you can use the red color sheet or cardboard. But I want to create greeting card with plain paper. So I did some background painting and let them dry off. Once they got dried, I did some simple details with white paint. Then I again added the deep green color for some shadow effects and some snow all over it. And please bear with my calligraphy skill. I'm not a calligrapher, so please don't mind my lettering style. And at the bottom, I added the snowman for extra snow feel. And it's done. Okay, let's get into the next card. For this, I took the 3 small sheets that we cut at the beginning. I roughly drew some circles and then I painted on them. Here I am painting them in different blue shade. You can paint them in any of the color that you want. Even you can draw in different shapes like stars, moons or any other shapes too. Now I have rolled some rough papers and secured it with the glue. Then I glued them on each of the circles. I'm doing this to give that pop-out look in the greeting card. Instead of this, you can use double-sided sellotape too. That will also give the same effect. But I want to create greeting card with whatever that I have. And most importantly, it should be cost effective. So I avoided the double-sided sellotape. Now let these dry off. Meanwhile, let's do the background painting. For this, I painted little opaque. Now let's start to stick our circles on the card. Even you can leave this card as it is and write something on the space. But I did some simple random designs at the corners. If you find it's not attractive, change it. I drew the leaves first and thought it would be better with the circles, so I changed to circles in different colors. And finally, I wrote the happy holidays in the middle and it's done. For my next card design, I'm going to do simple wreath painting. You can draw the outline circle and paint over the circle for reference. I used 3 different greens for leaves painting and some red berries here and there. You can paint any fruits or flowers that you like. Even you can paint the berries in any other colors too. And finally, I did some star designs using golden paint here and there. And that's it, 2021 greeting card is done. That's it, simple handmade greeting card is done. Thanks for joining me in this video.